Not a bad view. Not a bad view. What are you getting in the drawer for?
I want some tea. It's cold.
So this is where we've been staying the last couple days. It's been super cozy. It's like our dream home. If we were to have any home, this is kind of what we're looking for. Is like a log cabin with incredible view in a place where we could host people to come for retreats or just respite or anything like that. That's kind of our dream that we hope someday we could do. For right now, we've been living out of our truck for the last 9 months, traveling across the country, seeing our friends and family, meeting up with other YouTubers. And a friend that we met on this journey owns this cabin, and he offered to have us come up here and stay for like 5 days. That was just a huge gift to us. It's been awesome. I want to show you guys around a little bit. We're on the main level, and there's 2 bedrooms there. There's a bathroom. This is like the kitchen area. So back deck. There's a downstairs that goes down to the garage, and there's some rooms down there. Here is the master bedroom area, and then this is the living room. Bull moose right there, and then we have an elk, another moose, and a bear. Mounts of elk and longhorn, whitetail. It's really cozy. You have one side that's high ceiling. There's the kitchen, which we saw earlier, but then it goes upstairs to a little loft area. Obviously, Dan is super into hunting, and this is kind of like a perfect spot to be able to come up here, hang out with friends and family, and go hunting right here on the property. It's really cool. And so again, it's been an awesome gift that we've been able to hang out here. This is like a dream home. I feel like I gotta keep saying that, and Taylor and I have just been reflecting on our time here so far, and been like, this is so cool. Like, this is so cool that this just fit us so well, and that our friend offered it to us. So again, we're just blown away. Generosity, so cool. This couch is super comfy. We've been hanging out on the couch. We've had a fire in the morning. I'll get up and light a fire in the fireplace. That's been super peaceful. I've been doing some work online, so that's been really good. The cell service up here is actually really strong. Our Wi-Fi hotspot has been working really well. Chief has been hanging out, running around outside. We really wore him out when we went on that 4-wheeler ride. We're gonna be here for just a few more days, and we're just gonna try to soak it up as much as we can. And we have some fun plans after this. I'm excited to show you, so stick around. If you haven't pushed the subscribe button all the way in, go ahead and do that, and then click the bell so you get notified when we post new videos. And if you hit that thumb more button down below, that'll help us win the YouTube battle of just helping our channel grow and getting our videos out there and everything. And if you ever see something that you feel like your friends or family would enjoy that we're sharing, go ahead and share that video. And like we say in all of our videos, hats off to you. And there's a reason why we say hats off to you. It's because really it's to you that our channel is growing, and it's helping us continue our journey. So hats off to you.